Explore the power of customization with GreenO. Dive into the world of adaptable algorithms and flexible calculation logic. With GreenO, receive tailored solutions specific to your requirements. Customize everything from the interface to AI or ML models, crafting a product that aligns with your data and necessities. Benefit from flexible settings that allow you to adjust algorithms and the underlying calculation logic. Utilize our existing AI models, modify them according to your preferences, or seamlessly integrate your own. Adapt the GreenO interface to your brand's aesthetic and even create a white label version. Access ready-to-use solutions and products that can be easily embedded into our dashboards. Harness our API to efficiently organize and streamline data flow. For more in-depth information, please visit our website and social media platforms.